No blender, no problem. Today we're gonna be doing my full face using only marshmallows. Ah! I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm a little bit nervous. True story, my husband Hassan always calls me Marshmallow because he says my cheeks remind him of marshmallows. And then I was like, hey, I wonder if I could use a marshmallow to put makeup on my full face. And I was like touching the marshmallow and touching my cheeks and I was like, I feel like it would work, but let's see. All right, now I'm really nervous. Now the fun part starts. Woo, I'm really nervous. Calm down. So I've got large size marshmallows for like the full face. I've got some smaller marshmallows to get in like around the eye when I start doing my eyeshadow and all that good stuff. So we ready, we're prepared today. So I've already put on my skincare. Now we're gonna get into foundation. So I'm gonna be using our Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Apple Pie. I'm gonna put it on my nice little plate. Wait, is that enough? I don't know. I'm really nervous right now. What am I thinking? So I'm gonna dab my marshmallow and the foundation, make it nice and, I feel like I'm gonna break out after this. I am so nervous right now. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's just get it. It smells so good. It feels like a beauty blender, but a little bit sticky. Ooh. Oh my God, what am I doing? I don't know, I'm not sure yet. It's definitely not as smooth as a beauty blender. I feel like it's making my skin look a little bit texturized. But let's see, let's trust the process, guys. You gotta trust the process. It's really like blotchy. Oh my God, I feel like ants are gonna come to my face tonight, like all day. I feel like the sugar is getting on my face now. I feel it, I feel it. It smells good. Can I use my hand? No.
No.
Ah! When I go like this and just blot it on my face, it doesn't feel so bad, but when I try to rub it, it feels awful, so definitely don't do that. Ooh. So my neck and my face are a little bit different colored right now because I'm not as tan as I usually am. I'm gonna just try and blend this out. Let's see if Hassan says anything about how I smell today. You really have to go like this. You cannot blend like sideways. Kind of feels like a massage and a workout. Ooh, I'm sweating. So now we're gonna take a baby marshmallow to do my concealer. I'm regretting this already. What am I doing? All right, I'm gonna take Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes because this is my favorite shade. Snatch my face. Oh man, it looks awful already. What am I doing? Actually, I'm gonna use the bigger one and then blend it with a smaller one after. Otherwise, it'll take me 10 years dabbing. Ooh. This is great. Now we're gonna use the baby marshmallow to go in closer. So now we're gonna contour my face using our tan tour in the shade Lights. I take a new marshmallow for this, so I don't, ooh, it takes a lot of product. Uh-oh, I don't know if this is gonna be a good idea. You know what, let me use the side of the marshmallow. I feel like the edges take way too much product. Not very precise with the marshmallows. Precision, not so much. What am I doing? Ah. It's really difficult to get precise with the marshmallow. Yeah, what if you were traveling and you had no brushes? Then you can ask room service for a marshmallow. Don't zoom in, guys. Do not zoom into this camera. My hands are sticky. All right, now the fun part begins. We're gonna bake my face. Oh my God, I'm scared. I have our Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Cupcake. Do we have shade Marshmallow? Oh my God, we totally, after this video, need to make a shade Marshmallow. I'm gonna use the back of this marshmallow so I don't waste any marshmallows. Doesn't seem like the marshmallow is picking up much product, so that's not a good sign so far. Oh, actually it is. Okay, just blend it in because it's a marshmallow. I couldn't see it. Ah! Ah! Not bad. Not bad, marshmallow. Not bad at all. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Not bad. I love the shade Cupcake, you guys. So we're done. So next we're gonna do eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use our Huda Beauty Empowered palette because I need some empowerment and I need some encouragement. And I'm gonna start with the shade Keep Going. Let's keep going, guys, keep going. I'm stressed out, I'm not gonna lie, really stressed out. One thing to know, if you guys use a marshmallow for your makeup, it picks up a lot of product. Like you'd think it wouldn't, but it picks up so much product. Look at that. Look how dark it is, it's crazy. keep going, keep going. Let's do the other side. And I think it's even making the eyeshadow a bit darker than it is because it's so pigmented and dark and so like so concentrated. Not very precise, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna add on some more shades. I'm going to put Power, the shade Power, mixed with Best Self on the upper part of my lip. Just trying to blend it out a bit. Remember to dab. Don't rub, dab. When you rub, it gets really sticky. So I'm gonna turn around my marshmallow. I'm gonna dip my marshmallow into Bold Moves in our Empowered palette, which, by the way, has real gold flakes in it. It's quite exquisite. Mix it up, but not as well as using my finger. I usually use my finger to put on this shade because it's so nice with the finger. Almost there. So I want to start doing my eyeliner and my lashes and everything else, but I don't know how I'm going to move my powder from baking under my eye without ruining my makeup if I use the marshmallow, because normally you'd use a brush. So I'm just trying to think what I should do. What do I do? What do I do? So Chloe is telling me to try removing it with the marshmallow. Let's see if it works. Removing the baking powder, you can actually rub now. You don't have to dab, dab, dab. When you're trying to blend out the Easy Bake, you can actually rub and it works. Not as bad as I thought it would be, see? Not so great either, but it's okay. We're trying new things. It's 2023. Woo! I'm gonna use our Huda Beauty Glowish Blush in the shade Healthy Peach, because today I'm a healthy peach. I feel like it's gonna be super pigmented. Uh-oh. Like a full circle on my face. Ah, actually, not bad at all. You know what I think happened? This is the marshmallow I blended my Easy Bake with. So put Easy Bake on your marshmallow and it becomes a lot easier to use. Hack, marshmallow hack. All right, we're almost there. Woo. For highlighter, I'm gonna use our Huda Beauty Light Glow Obsessions. Gotta trust the process, guys. Also not bad at all. Oh my God, I'm getting more confident with this marshmallow. Like really, it's not bad. Okay, foundation was tough with the marshmallow and concealer, but like everything else is actually not bad at all. Now I'm gonna do my brows really quickly using our Huda Beauty Brow Pencil in the shade number 7. Just gonna add some eyeliner using our Huda Beauty Life Liner, and then I'm also gonna top it with our Huda Beauty Liquid Liner in the shade Brown. So I put on my liner, I put on my mascara, and thank God those parts did not need a marshmallow to blend. Thank God. And I usually blend a little bit of eyeshadow under my eye. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, should I? Okay, Chloe says I should. So I'm gonna get a new baby marshmallow and dip just the very corner, the edge of the marshmallow into Get It, or Best Self. I don't know. Let me do Best Self. Yeah, I'm gonna blend a few together. Not bad. Honestly, I'm very impressed with this. I thought this would be a disaster, but no, it's not bad at all. So marshmallows with powder, good. Marshmallow with liquid, foundation, concealer, not so good. Saying in case you ever need to use a marshmallow for your makeup, try to go powder rather than liquid or cream. So just a few more steps left. I'm gonna put on my lashes, my lipstick, and a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, and we're almost done. What? I feel confident. I feel excited for the future. So I'll put on my lashes. So I'm done with my eyes, and now we have our final step. We're gonna put on my lipstick, and I'm gonna use our new lip trio, which has our lip contour, liquid matte, and Power Bullet. These are some of my favorite shades. We got Pinky Brown lip contour, Interview, Power Bullet, and Bombshell liquid matte. These are beautiful colors. And now I'm going to apply my liquid matte using a marshmallow. And I know it has its own applicator, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but just for fun. Ooh, it smells so good. I wish I could eat this. This is my favorite part about using a marshmallow as a blender, is like if you're hungry. Oh my God, so good. I'm gonna add just a little bit of Power Bullet on top. All right, guys, I'm finally done. What do you guys think? I've done my full glam using only marshmallows. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and watching me try this challenge. Try it. Let me know what you guys think. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, or what hack should I try next. If you guys have marshmallows at home and you don't have a blender, or if you just want to try it for fun, let me know what you guys think about this hack. Love you guys. Bye. Oops. Whatever.